Hey guys, Uncle Ray. Welcome to another episode of the Crypto Bellwether. Guys, hear me out. I'm going to fire off some bullet points for you guys that I am really excited about, and it is absolutely amazing of the adoption that's going on with crypto around the world. Now, these bullet points are just one small area that is going to change the price of Bitcoin by itself. And like I said, it's just one small area and one small part of the world, but it will create a huge demand for Bitcoin that has nothing to do with America or Russia and China or anywhere else. And this is all coming from the third most powerful country in the world. Outside of America and China, the United Arab Emirates is the third wealthiest country in the world. Abu Dhabi, Dubai. Now, let's think about it. Where did they get their money? Well, petroleum primarily. They are the number one supplier of oil in the world. Well, what's the most hated thing on the planet? Oil. Everyone wants to get rid of it, and they want clean energy. Well, being that they have so much money and they can go into any business or any development or any protocol or whatever that they want, well, you can bet they have a plan. And guess what that plan is to take over the loss of the money that they're going to be making in the next 10, 20, 50 years in oil? It is Bitcoin and Bitcoin mining. Now, hear me out. This company that's on the screen right here is called Madala. I may not have said that right, but it's basically an investment firm. Well, it recently came out and said that it is going to start investing in crypto and Bitcoin and clean energy and things of that nature. And they have like $294 billion under management around the world. Now, that's just one little bullet point. Now, hear me out on this. Kevin O'Leary, which I've talked about before, has been traveling around the world connecting with different countries that are Bitcoin friendly. Well, not only has he partnered with the United Arab Emirates, excuse me, he has become a dual citizen of that country. And by doing that, that means he can partner on their big plan. Guess what their big plan is? They want to be one of the leaders in Bitcoin mining. And they're going to do it with clean energy. Now let's think about them. Think about the money that they have to put behind their projects. They have the resources that make Kevin O'Leary, Mr. Wonderful, look like he's poor. That's how much money is in that country. Well, they not only want to get into Bitcoin mining, they want to make Dubai the crypto capital of the world. So let's just think about something, guys. What is going to happen to Bitcoin when the third most powerful country in the world starts to really gear up? Because it takes time to build these projects out. But what do you think is going to happen when they start mining Bitcoin and become probably the leader in the world of Bitcoin mining? Well, they're not going to sell it. Why would they sell it? They're going to do two things. They are going to invest it in more equipment, and they're going to buy more Bitcoin. Because you think about it, guys, we're talking real money and that can move a market. So you think about what they have and what they can create. Forget the other people and other companies around the world in the Fortune 500 companies. They're going to be doing the same type things. Forget all that. Let's just use this one country. All right. They put billions and billions of dollars into Bitcoin mining. Okay. So they take that profit and they buy more mining equipment, which creates more opportunity, more profit. Well, what do you do with that profit? You keep buying the mining and you buy more Bitcoin. You buy more Bitcoin, you mine more Bitcoin, you make more profit, and it's a it's a circle of just going up and up and up. Why would they ever stop? And then think about what's going to happen when Bitcoin is all mined, and think about how much it's going to be worth. So guys, this is just something for you guys to really, really think about. I don't know when it's going to click, but when it does, just this alone ought to be able to take Bitcoin up to, say, $125,000, maybe $250,000. That's just one country, and probably my estimate would be 18 months. Now, here's another thing that I really like about it. Now, America has been printing money, so has most of the rest of the world, but the United Arab Emirates, man, they just print money from the ground. They make money. They don't have to use their printing press to stay afloat. So what I'm getting at is if the world falls apart and goes into a depression, they're not going to be going and buying the New York Stock Exchange. They're going to be buying Bitcoin. So yes, Bitcoin will crash if the rest of the economy crashes, but I believe it's going to have more support from around the world from countries like this. So anyway, guys, that's kind of my rant, something to really think about. Look, share this with people. I want to hear what you think in the comments. Please, if you haven't subscribed, do so. Hit the like button. Share with like-minded people. Tell me your thoughts. And guys, I'm really excited. I'm not giving you financial advice, but look, in bad times like we're having right now, Bitcoin looks better and better. All roads lead to Bitcoin, not Ethereum, not Polkadot, not any of those. All roads, in my opinion, when you're talking real money, big money like corporate America money, like country money, like school pension fund money, those roads all lead to Bitcoin. Long-term guys, who cares about all this stuff? We should be really excited. I'm crazy excited. I hope Bitcoin stays down most of the year and let me accumulate more of it. Anyway, that's my thought process, guys. Do your homework. Not financial advice, but hey, go down the rabbit hole, guys. It's life changing. And look, if you haven't done the Bitcoin challenge, look up in my playlist, find that video, because it's pretty fun. It's created to teach people about Bitcoin and get you involved in what's going on in the world. And I'm excited. I love Bitcoin. I like all crypto, but Bitcoin is where it's at. Anyway, guys, take care. Come back.